Dear friends, good evening. I am Dr. Saurabh Dikshit. Today we will talk about environment science. As you know, environment science is very important subject for all doing management studies as well as in other courses. My dear students, objectives of today's lecture are to understand meaning of environment science and to understand environment and tourism. First of all, let us try to know what is the meaning of this term environment science. Environment means something which is around us, which is helping us to live in this nature. Science means something which is proved or logical. In this subject, we will study nature, history, geography, and other related subjects. Students, environment science is inter and multidisciplinary subject. There are many disciplines involved in this subject. It deals with physical, biological, and information science. What is environment science? Environment science is related to plants, herbs, which is used in as Ayurvedic or herbal entities in tourism and travel. Nowadays, you must have heard about Ayurvedic tourism, health tourism, then animals in tourism. We talk about zoo, wildlife sanctuary, and natural bio and biodiversity of the nature. In environment science, we include forest, so that is in the form of wildlife and forest in tourism. Fungi is a micro world, it is a part of micro world. Tourists they would like to see the micro world as an attraction. In this subject, we talk about buildings like Twin Tower in Malaysia, so that is also a great tourist attraction. Social fabric or society. Society, as far as society is concerned, in tourism we talk about indigenous people tourism. Environment science work or deals with how the nature function and nature which is humans. It means study of human is also concerned with related to environment science. How it is significant? In environment science, we can study human survival and tourism. Environment science is associated with political science, engineering, economics, ethics like rush and crush traffic we study in tourism and travel, ecology related to ecosystem of many places in the world, biology, its example is Singapore Night Safari, that is a great tourist attraction, chemistry, many students of chemistry they go for a study tour or chemical processes are there, like if you are going for cave exploration or speleology, so chemical formations are there and that is a part of expedition inside the cave. Then atmosphere, we go to see sunrise, sunset, and many other natural effects to different places. So that is the association of environment science with tourism. Oceanography, like underwater walk. Geology, it is related to place, people. Anthropology, there is a place Lothal and Sindhu Valley civilization. So these places are associated with anthropology as well as great tourist attraction. Then archaeology, there are many archaeological sites in India like Ajanta and Ellora. Sociology, traditions, rituals, and practices we study in environment science as well as in tourism. History, forts, fortresses, and Gadhi. We these are the great attractions in tourism. That is also history is also a part of environment science. Lastly, tourism. So all these subjects are related to environment science. Now there are questions for you. What is environment science? Write a note on linkages of environment with tourism. Students, thank you very much. If you have any query, you can send me your query or query over my email dikshit246